how to set up a Discord server for community. Hey guys, in today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to set up a Discord server for community. In order to set up a Discord server for community, you'll need to select the server name in the upper left hand side corner. So for that, first of all, log in into your Discord account, and once you're logged in, tap the tab bar icon from the top left and select the particular server. Once you've selected the server, tap the three dot icon from the top and go to settings. After you click the settings or the gear icon, it's going to take you to this page here. Scroll down a bit and head over to the section of community. Under it, click on enable community, and to begin with, go ahead and tap the get started button. In order to enable a community server, you'll need to toggle the button for all of these and click the next button. Similarly, do the same procedure and tap the next button on the other page. You also need to do the same thing, that is toggle the button and click the finish setup button. In this way, you've successfully set up Discord server for community, and tap the save button from the top right hand side. In this way, you've set up a Discord server for a community. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.